there's no 5, 5. Put it back in the tray and look for a different one.
5G.
5, 3.
The G's on the bottom.
Nice.
1, 6. 1, 6. This is 1, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. One on the bottom.
Okay, good job.
4, 6. 4, 4. 2, 2. Oh. 40. 1, 2, 1, 5, 3, 2, 6, 4, 6, 2, 5, 4, 5. 5. What's 5, 1? 60. I found 2, 3. I found 2, 3, Mom.
Okay, all of these are not here. This one that you turn is not here either. Okay, so try looking for those. If they're not there, then just put them on this side and just flip into the other side.
There's 1, 2, 3. 2, 3.
Hold on, baby. Is there anything on the other side?
No, wait, this side. Only the two.
You did it! Good job! Ready? Careful.
Oh, 5, 5. Where is 5, 5? Oh, 5, 5. I can't find 5, 5, Mom.
It's there.
Oh, it's not it. Matching. It's 4, 0. 4, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 6. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. How can you do that? Let me see. How can you do that? My belly doesn't make sound. They have glue. 4, 6. 1, 3.
You see?
Yeah.